Hydroelectric power comes from water stored in high altitude locations. This kind of electricity generation is to large extent environmental friendly and do not have noticeable deteriorating environmental impacts. The efficiency of an hydroelectric station is measured in terms of water available in the reservoir and water head. When water content in the reservoir depends upon rain, naturally both of these values, that is water stored in the reservoir and water head, changes with period of time in a year. At the end of rainy season, reservoir must have been full of water if satisfactory rainfall occurs. If we consider Q as a capacity of reservoir in liters and H is the head of water in meters, then we can find out the electrical generating capacity of hydroelectric power station. We have to convert volume of water into weight of water using water density rho. Subsequently, force that may be exerted by water in newtons may be found by using acceleration due to gravity. If water is supplied by reservoir, say for 1 hour, then the value of water head H must be reducing if water is not simultaneously added to the dam. Further, this value is also not same for every hour of year, since in any particular hour of year, initial water level may be different. For such a calculations, empirical data regarding shape of reservoir should be available. Available water in reservoir is as sample data from 100% of at the end of rainy season up to 10% at the beginning of rainy season. Hydroelectric power stations are categorized as large, small, micro and pico power stations. This capacity is more than 100 megawatts for large, less than 10 megawatts is for small, about 100 kilowatts for micro and about 10 kilowatts for pico power stations. Generally, the difference in bottom of reservoir and top water level of water reservoir is not the maximum head available. The reason is some soil is continuously added along with flowing rainwater from basin of river, so dam capacity reduces over few years of time. As estimate of 100 kilowatts hydropower station is as follows. If 490 kiloliters is the value of Q in liters and uses 100 meters of head in certain period of time, then it produces 133 kilowatts power, but actually power plant is producing 100 kilowatts, so plant is working at 75% efficiency. Modern water turbines work at an efficiency of about 90%. Catchment area of large dam reduces as water head drops. For example, if some dam has 100 meters of head available, then with drop in head by each meter, catchment area also drops. If we approximately find water delivered in every 1 meter drop in water head, then we may find reservoir's capacity to produce electrical power in that water with 100 meters of head. Catchment area means surface area of dam water. In this way, by adding capacity in each meter of head, we get total capacity of dam to produce electrical energy. It should be noted that water head changes say from 100.5 meters to 99.5 meters and delivers electric power. We may consider 100 meter of average water head. The formula that we see on slide contains quantity of water Q at certain point in time and head at that point in time H. Then we may choose time T that spans around that instant of time, say 1 hour. In this way, we may consider constant flow rate Q and constant head H in that hour of period. In next period of time, head must have been reduced. To keep power to be delivered to constant, we have to increase flow rate. This analysis shows that to keep power delivered by power station constant, if demand exists, we have to increase the flow rate as water head drops.